Okay guys, welcome again to another episode of Pinoy in Australia. So, what we have today is a control switch of my Toyota Kluger. This is the control switch for the air condition on the back AC guys. So, the back AC stopped working. What happened is I put cargo at the back of the vehicle and it hit the knob. So, the knob become wobbly. So, and the AC start working at the back. So what I did is I pull out the entire switch, then I pull it apart. So what I found out guys is this is the component that you can see inside this module switch. So there is two volume control, this one and another one here. As you can see, the other half of the volume control had came off. So there's supposed to be a holding bracket, some kind of clamp that got snapped. That's why this one fell out. So as you can see guys, in the good one, this one, see this one, and this one, and another one in the bottom, that one, it's missing on this volume control. So that's the one that holding these two pieces into one assembly. So what I'm going to do guys is I will try to find whether I can buy this component guys in JCar. So I will desolder this component and check whether I can buy it on JCar. Because I already checked on eBay, the cost of this entire switch is somewhere $250 and above. It depends on the seller. So I think this component I can purchase this on maybe 20 bucks or 15 bucks, and it might make this thing work. I hope nothing is affected on this printed circuit board, because there is an IC, see, and I hope none of them got damaged. I will try to repair this guys, and let's see what will gonna happen, whether it will work or not. So I'm going to replace this one too guys, because this one also become wobbly. So something also happened to this one. So wait for the continuation of this one. I'll try to find some parts. Okay guys, I go to the page where you can select the parameters for the AC system. So what we're going to select is the blower motor level, another one, this one, yep. Then set temperature here. So those two parameters is the one that we're going to use guys. We're going to check whether those two knobs for the rear control switch for the air condition is working. So let's press OK. Okay. So what I did guys is I didn't buy the parts yet. What I did is I tried to put back the switch together back to its original position and secure it using a glue stick. So it's glue stick that securing the variable resistor guys, the variable resistor. So let's see whether this repair that I had did to this component fix the problem. So let's try whether the speed control is working guys. So the top one, that is the blower motor level, let's show whether the knob of the speed control of the air condition at the back is working. So we are going to turn this knob, and those value there supposed to change. So that will be our request blower speed. So right now I'm going to pull high. So the pull high is 31. Then I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. From 31 it goes to 18. Then let's turn it one more. Then it goes to 9. Turn it one more again. Then become 3. Then that's off position, guys. So it's 0. So it means that this switch is working fine now, guys. Okay, it's no longer wobbly, guys, since I put that glue. So but now, right now, the fan is still not working, guys. So there must be another issue, guys. So I'm just wondering, there's a big possibility that the rear AC blower motor is broken, guys. So the next step that I'm going to do on that one, guys, is to open the sidings at the back so I can access the AC blower motor. So let's test this one, guys. This is the temperature control for the rear. So right now it's on maximum cold. So as you can see, it's already in the full left turn. So that is the maximum lowest temperature of the setting of the thermostat. So we're going to turn it clockwise. This one more, didn't change. Yep, it goes to 19.5 degrees. I'm going to turn it one more, 20.5 degrees. So as we turn it clockwise, the request temperature of the passenger at the back is become warmer and warmer. So the temperature become higher and higher. So it become 21.5. So let's turn it again. So it become 22.5. I'm going to turn it again, guys. 23.5. One more. 24.5. One more. 25.5. One more. 26.5. One more. 27.5. One more. 29.5. One more. 31.5. One more. So that is maximum hot. So it means that our temperature switch is working fine at the back. So we don't need to replace this one. So there is a big possibility that we have another issue, guys. It might be the blower is broken. So what I'm thinking is, when the air condition is at the back stop working, maybe the kids start wiggling that switch. They keep turning it until they broke the switch. So as you can see right now, guys, there's a little bit wiggle on this one, no wiggle on this one. So I might put glue in this one too, guys. I'm going to put glue, stick glue, to secure it, guys. So right now my next plan is to open the sidings, guys, and check the blower motor of the rear air condition, because I already checked the fuses at the front of the engine, on the engine bay. There is nothing blown in there, and I'm trying to find out whether there's another fuses inside the vehicle. As far as I know, there must be, and I'm going to check whether there's a blown fuse for the rear AC blower. Okay, guys, this is the rear evaporator of this Toyota Kluger. is located on the right hand rear side of the body of the vehicle. So this is the back portion of the vehicle. So as you can see, the test light is on. It means that there is a supply going to the motor, but even there is a supply, the motor is still not working. So it means that there is something wrong with the pan motor. So I need to order that guys, that parts guys, and I will check whether I can buy from eBay, aftermarket one. So it's confirmed that there is problem with our evaporator motor. So that is the socket, and it goes in there. See that this one, that's where it's plugged. So let me remove the test light and plug it back to the motor. So see, fan is not working. If that's working, you can hear, you're supposed to hear the blowing noise created by the fan, but right now it's not working guys. So I need to order that pan motor guys. Okay guys, this is what it looked like after using a glue stick guys. So glue stick and glue gun. So I also put on the other one, even the clip is not yet snapped, just to make sure that it will not happen on the other one, but still it's starting to wiggle guys. So that's the tools that I use guys, the glue gun with the glue stick. So it hold the component firmly, and it fixes the problem guys.